A very good evening to you all, everyone. So today I will explain this paragraph. Why do we need election? So let us imagine a democracy without election. If elections are not held, if the people are only ruling the country, then it can be possible. A rule of people can be possible without any election if all the people can sit together to take all type of decisions. But for a large country like India, it is impossible for all the people to sit together to take all type of decisions. Even people do not have the knowledge and time and all the knowledge, time and skills to take all type of decisions on all the matters, because all the people are not expert for on all the matters. Okay, therefore in most democracies like India, elections are held. Means people are elected through the process of election. Okay, that's why we can say that elections are a democratic way of selecting the representatives. Representatives are selected democratically through the process of election. Then they ensure that representatives rule as per the wishes of the people, because representatives are elected by the people and therefore they have to rule as per the wishes of the people. Third point, elections help the voters to choose representatives who will make laws for them. So it is the right given to the voter to choose the representatives, the candidates who will make laws for them and who will form the government, who will make the rules for them, and who will take all the decisions. Okay, this right is also given to the voters. That means political right. This is the next point. Voters can choose the party whose policies will guide the government and lawmaking. Apart from the representatives, the voters are also given the right to choose the party, which political parties' policies will guide the government and policies will guide the government and lawmaking. This right is also given to the voters only. Then last point, thus election is a mechanism by which people can choose their representative at regular intervals. It is a mechanism by which people are given the right to choose their leaders, choose their representatives at regular interval. Okay, every after 5 or 6 years, 5 years, mainly 5 years, and if necessary, if they think, they can change them if they wish to. Okay, so these that's why we can say that elections are very important for a country like India.